many of these workshops, we tend to look backwards. We don't often look forwards, and I'm going to force you to look forwards by literally putting you in 2025. We've designed a day which we hope will really inspire you. It is impossible during the course of the day that you do not come up with tens, if not hundreds of ideas for your business, for your projects. Pharmacies in almost every country are in a moment of change. They might go into the pharmacy to get the advice for the product that they buy, but then they might go online to search for where they can buy it cheaper or most conveniently.
We are moving towards an e-commerce platform, you know.
Yeah.
So whether we believe it or not, this will happen.
Obviously, digitalization, everybody's moving to apps. Standardization is also important because moving to symbols instead of word instructions, but if you have different industries from cosmetics to medical devices, how could we then standardize that for all consumer products?
What can the product do, but also what does the consumer actually need?
As an industry, we need to provide them with the information and the training to help them to develop it.
Yes.
People do not appreciate the risks of non-prescription medicines. I do mystery shopper work quite a lot. I have been into many supermarkets, many groceries, and put my arm behind the shelf and tipped 20, 30 packs of 16 paracetamol in. And you know the question they ask me? Have you got a loyalty card? If people are not health literate, they're not even playing in the game we're playing. They're not engaging in self-care. We need to empower patients to ask questions, but we need to help empower healthcare professionals to ask appropriate questions as well.
What are some of the big ahas in the course of today that you would say, that was interesting, I might do something with that?
It's this consumer insight that we have to find that can connect emotionally your brand and the consumer.
It's been great fun, lots of nice discussion, some good ideas, but most importantly, I hope that you take those ideas and that inspiration and build stronger brands and therefore build a stronger industry in the future.